Hi guys, welcome again today. So in this video, we'll be discussing on how to put the features, both the furnitures and the plumbing features in this particular building. So we have this already. We have this already is a bungalow of 1 bedroom. So we have been designing here this particular building right here. So live. So if you want to know how we get here, you should do and go and watch the previous videos so that you'll be able to understand the step that we follow to get to this point. So the basic aim of doing this thing is to lecture you guys on how to use Revit software. So please do well to subscribe to this channel and so that you'll be able to be getting videos like this every week, every day, so possibly. So you can share to your friends also, and share to your engineers, your fellow students or dependent who you want to share with. So now we'll be putting the features in the building. So, our features of furniture is going to be on this DPC slab. So, what we have to do, we have to open this tab right here. When we open it, we have to go to under architecture. We have to go to component. So, when you click on the component here, you can click on edit type, load material. So this is when you access the template outside the Revit, which you have to store on your system. So you see that I have my Revit file right here. When I open it, I can easily access anything that I want here. Okay, you see that we have a furniture right here. I have a furniture right here. So we have the bed, chairs, and sofas you get. So you still have the domestic tables, office. If you're working for an office, features and fittings, you can get everything right here. So let's just put the okay. In bed, we have bunk bed, we have hospital bed, we have different type of bed. We have this, we have this, we have this. So you can choose any of this one that you want. Chair, if you want to design a church, a fire stand, you can use this chair. You can use auditorium chair, this half of auditorium chair. You can use any of this as your design. So which type of chair are we going to be using here? So now let's proceed. You can do some, let's check what we are going to use right here. So we'll be using this. We'll be using this. Okay, let's use this. All we have to do is double click on it or you click open. So let's double click on it. So it will now open. It will load in. Just be looking at this point. See, okay, now we are now carrying that here. All we have to do is press OK. When you press OK, where do we want to put it? So we want to actually put this chair here in our building. So drop it right here. Since we know our TV, we're going to put our TV by this side because it's the longest free space for our TV. So you have to rotate, click on this chair, rotate it, click on this arrow right here, click any point, rotate it 90 degree, drop it. So now it's facing like this. So I want to have something like this, two of it, highlight it like this, then you can flip it with this one. This one is for you to draw a line, it will flip. But if you have an edge where you can actually pick, you can use this one. You pick the edge, it will flip. So all you have to do, let's use this, click on this. All you have to do, we draw a line like this, it will flip. See? So now let's let's make a space. Let's make a space like this. Okay, I want to create another one. So I'll be loading another chair. I'll be loading another chair. Component, remember, edit type. I'll be loading another chair, load. So we have we have this already. So I'll be opening this as the secondary part of it. Double click on it. Double click on it. So in this process, this is where you can put some other features like car decorations outside the building. In this matrix library, you can actually access it. So here we can actually click on OK. You see we have this. All I have to do is to drop it. But this, I'll be flipping it to face this towards the direction. All I have to do is click on this one, click it, I can click any of this line like this. It will face like this. All I have to do is to delete this because I won't be needing it, and shift it back towards this direction. I can decide to add extra of this, which is copy. I can copy this from here to here so that I'll have two of that for the parental seats. You understand? So I can decide to put this one at the middle and shift this one like this. So you see, we have a seat of one, two, three, four. Understand? So we can easily put a center table in this. How do we do that? Go to component, go to component. See, we are carrying the same chair, but what you have to do is click on edit type, click on edit type, come here, load material. When you load, you just choose whatever you want to choose. So here we have the chairs. How can we see the tables? Let's look for the tables. Let's look for the tables. We are back on the matrix library. Okay, furnitures, furnitures, desks and tables. You see, click on it. Let's see what we have here. We see have these office tables. See this type of tables. So we want to put a center table in that sitting room. Center table. Here we can put something like this for our center table. All we have to do is double click on it, wait for it to come up. You have to wait for it to come up. Okay, this is our table. We click OK. We come here, we can drop it here. Can drop it here as our center table. You understand? This is how you can put your TV. So let's just put a toilet seat here. Let's put a toilet seat here. So all you have to do is go back to the components, edit, load material. So you will see let's go back to matrix library, uh plumbing, plumbing features, bathtub. Okay, we have this. So you can decide to put your bathtub if you want. So, but that is not necessary for me. Let me just put the necessary stuff, which is the toilet seats. Can put any of these. I want to put the one that have tank. Let me go to this. Working material. We don't have plumbing here. It should be here, but this one is not showing. Mm, plumbing, toilet cubicles. We don't need this. This is for maybe hotels or something. Use okay. I think we need. You see something we are looking for here. You see, we even have the urinary. We have the toilet seat, complete set of it. If you want to be putting it one after the other, you'll be putting it. All you have to do is be viewing it from this point. Let me know if I can access, open this a bit. You see, we have the toilet seat. Okay, we'll be using this. Let's use this. Click on it, double click on it, and wait for it to come up. And wait for it to come up. You see, we have this. You click on OK. So all we have to do, you can put it at this edge right here. Put it at this edge. So you see that we have a toilet seat right here. So we can decide to put a bathtub any place at this point. So in our kitchen, we can still put some maybe table or maybe cabinet in it. So in our bedroom, let's put bed. Let's put a bed. We'll be rounding up with that. Click on components. We have to load. We load. All you have to do, go to furnitures. So we're going to bed. We're going to bed. Okay, first of all, I think we don't have a very nice bed here. Let's check bed that we have at this point. Let's choose this. Let's choose this. This one is okay. All you have to do is double click on it. When you double click on it, okay, it's up. You can set the length of your bed the way you want it, the width of your bed the way you want it. You can set my width to be 1.2 as the width and set the bed to be 2 meter. You get? I press OK. Where am I putting it? I'm putting it maybe at this edge. At this edge. Just drop it. I can rotate it the way I want it. I can rotate it the way I want it. Maybe 90 degree. Position it where I want it to be. Okay, let me rotate it again. Okay, the reason why I actually rotate it is because if you check in this room, you have this place to be the possible place where we can have our television. So when you're on top of the bed, you can easily be watching your television with no disturbance. You get? So there are some things you need to consider while designing things like that. So that is it for this video. So in case if you want to add more features like that, when you get to your matrix library, you can access any features that you want. You can access maybe you can access flowers, maybe cars. You can access different things. So okay, let me show you guys on how to put a car. Go to architect, go back to components. So you choose edit, go to load, go to load. You will see furniture. Let's go back to matrix library here. Click on any of these. You see cars. You see cars. This is not the only car that we have here. We have a lot of cars. We have a lot of them. I'm entering this one, encouraging. So you see these cars, see this type of car. See we have different, even caterpillars are here. So you can decide to choose anything that you want. We have buses and van, construction, have people, if you want to put people, animals, you see everything is here. So let me just select this. Let me select any of these. This video is becoming too long and I don't want it. So I'll press OK. I can decide to park my car this place. So when you go to 3D, when you go to 3D, you see our car is hanging. You know why? Because we put this car at the what's it called? DPC slab. All you have to do is to highlight it, come here, and let our car be at ground level. So now it's on the ground level, as you can see. So our car is down to the ground level. So you see, everything is perfect right now. Everything is perfect right now. So please, if you are able to watch this video to this point, do want to subscribe if you have not subscribed. You can share to your friends so that people will learn on how to use Revit. So and you can I'll be creating the next video on how to export the plan because you see here we have a plan. We have the plan here, right here. GPC slab. This is the plan. So we have the elevations. We have the elevations. This is the east. This is the east. You see the way it's looking at the east. So this is the north. Okay, we are saving. So this is the north view. This is the south, and this is the west. You see? So in my next video, I'll be showing you guys on how to export all this to AutoCAD, on how to do your dimensioning and annotations. So thank you for having you guys around to this point.